Welcome to Kuala Lumpur, the vibrant heart of Malaysia. A city where ancient traditions meet modern marvels, and cultures intertwine seamlessly. Today, we take you on a journey through the sights, sounds, and stories of this extraordinary metropolis. Known affectionately as KL, Kuala Lumpur is the capital city of Malaysia, and its name translates to muddy confluence. This city began as a small tin mining settlement in the 1850s and has grown into one of Southeast Asia's most dynamic urban hubs. Its humble beginnings were shaped by Chinese and Malay miners, who laid the foundation for a thriving cultural melting pot. No visit to Kuala Lumpur is complete without marveling at the Petronas Twin Towers. Standing at 452 meters, these towers were once the tallest buildings in the world and remain a symbol of Malaysia's aspirations. The KL Tower offers panoramic views of the city, while Merdeka Square, steeped in history, marks the spot where Malaysia declared independence in 1957. Meanwhile, the Istana Negara, or National Palace, is the official residence of the King of Malaysia, showcasing stunning Islamic architecture. Kuala Lumpur is a cultural mosaic, where Malay, Chinese, and Indian communities thrive together. Chinatown, with its bustling markets, offers a taste of Chinese heritage, while Little India dazzles with vibrant colors and the aroma of Indian spices. In Kampung Baru, traditional Malay houses stand as a testament to the city's roots. The city's diversity is best experienced through its food. From nasi lemak, the national dish, to char kway teow and roti canai, Kuala Lumpur is a food lover's paradise. It's the urban hustle. Kuala Lumpur offers pockets of tranquility. The lake gardens provide a lush retreat, home to the butterfly park and bird park. A short drive away, the Batu Caves, with its towering golden statue of Lord Murugan, is a sacred Hindu site and a popular tourist attraction. If you're enjoying the content, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we upload new videos. Your support means the world and helps us keep creating awesome content just for you. When the sun sets, the city transforms. Bukit Bintang's nightlife is electric, with rooftop bars, street performances, and shopping malls that cater to every taste. Kuala Lumpur is not just about preserving its past. It's a city that looks towards the future. With cutting-edge infrastructure and a thriving digital economy, KL is a hub for innovation in Southeast Asia. Kuala Lumpur is a shining example of religious harmony. The National Mosque, with its stunning blue dome, reflects the city's Islamic heritage. Meanwhile, Thian Hu Temple, a magnificent Chinese temple, and St. Mary's Cathedral, one of the oldest Anglican churches, showcase the coexistence of different faiths. From luxury malls to bustling street markets, Kuala Lumpur offers a shopping experience like no other. Surya KLCC boasts high-end brands, while Central Market is perfect for traditional handicrafts. For bargain hunters, Petaling Street in Chinatown is a must-visit destination. Kuala Lumpur's cultural diversity is reflected in its vibrant festivals. Thaipusam is a grand Hindu celebration that draws thousands to Batu Caves. Hari Raya Aidilfitri marks the end of Ramadan with joyous feasts, while Chinese New Year lights up the city with lion dances and lanterns. For art enthusiasts, Kuala Lumpur is a treasure trove. The Islamic Arts Museum Malaysia showcases exquisite collections of Islamic artifacts, while the National Museum narrates the country's rich history. Don't miss the vibrant street art scattered across neighborhoods like Bukit Bintang, a reflection of the city's modern creativity. Beyond the main attractions, Kuala Lumpur hides unique experiences. Witness the magical glow of fireflies in Kuala Selangor, or explore the bustling Taman Connaught night market, famous for its local snacks. For nature lovers, The Perdana Botanical Gardens is a serene escape in the heart of the city. Kuala Lumpur is more than a city. It's an experience. A place where history and progress converge. Where every street tells a story, and every visit leaves a lasting impression. So, whether you're a traveler, a foodie, or a dreamer, Kuala Lumpur awaits you with open arms.